Hey everyone, welcome back to my Greater Mood and Wellness channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of skincare. We're talking simple routines, effective products, and most importantly, routines that work for your unique skin. Because, let's be real, no two people have the exact same skin, right? That's why it's so crucial to understand your skin type and build a routine that caters to its specific needs. Welcome to our ultimate guide on simple skincare routines tailored for every skin type. Whether you have dry, oily combination, acne-prone, or sensitive skin, we've got you covered. We're breaking down each skin type, the perfect routine for it, and the best products to incorporate. And the best part? You don't need a million steps or expensive products to have amazing skin. We're all about simplicity and effectiveness here. So if you're ready to achieve your healthiest, happiest skin yet, then keep on watching. First, let's talk to my friends with dry skin. If your skin constantly feels tight, itchy, or looks a little dull, you're probably dealing with dryness. The key here is hydration, 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 and no, drinking water alone won't cut it, although it's super important for overall health. We need to hydrate from the outside in. Start with a gentle cleanser, something that effectively removes dirt and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Look for creamy, hydrating formulas that leave your skin feeling soft and supple, not tight or dry. Next, the star of the show for dry skin, a rich, deeply hydrating moisturizer. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and shea butter, which are known for their incredible moisture-retaining properties. And don't forget SPF during the daytime. Even if it's cloudy, those UV rays can still damage your skin. Now, let's talk about oily skin. If you find yourself constantly blotting away shine or dealing with breakouts, listen up. The key to managing oily skin is finding that perfect balance controlling excess oil without completely stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Start with a gentle cleanser, just like our dry skin friends. But here's the thing, for oily skin, look for cleansers that are oil-free and non-comedogenic, meaning they won't clog your pores. Gel or foaming cleansers are usually great options, and don't be afraid to exfoliate. Using a gentle exfoliant a couple of times a week can work wonders in removing dead skin cells and preventing clogged pores, which can lead to those pesky breakouts. Look for chemical exfoliants with ingredients like salicylic acid or glycolic acid. Let's talk about combination skin, the best of both worlds. Now, combination skin can be a little tricky because, as the name suggests, it's a combination of skin types. You might experience dryness in some areas, oiliness in others, typically the T-zone, and maybe even the occasional breakout. The key here is balance and targeted treatments. Start with a gentle cleanser that works for both dry and oily skin. Avoid harsh soaps or cleansers that can strip away your skin's natural oils. Then listen closely. This is where things get interesting. Instead of using the same moisturizer all over, try using different moisturizers for different areas of your face. Apply a lighter, oil-free moisturizer to your T-zone and a richer, more hydrating moisturizer to your drier areas. Be patient and kind to your skin. Let's talk about acne-prone skin. If you're struggling with breakouts, blackheads, or whiteheads, know that you're not alone. Acne is incredibly common, and there are ways to manage it effectively. The key here is to be patient and gentle with your skin. Avoid harsh scrubs or picking at your skin, which can further irritate it and worsen breakouts. Start with a gentle cleanser specifically formulated for acne-prone skin. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, which help to unclog pores and fight acne-causing bacteria. You can also incorporate a spot treatment with these ingredients to target individual blemishes. Last but not least, let's talk about sensitive skin. With sensitive skin, less is more. If your skin tends to get red, irritated, or itchy easily, you've got to be extra careful with the products you use. For sensitive skin, less is more. Stick to a simple routine with fragrance-free, hypoallergenic products. Avoid harsh ingredients like sulfates, alcohol, and essential oils, which can aggravate sensitive skin. Always patch test new products before applying them to your entire face. Apply a small amount of product to a small area of skin, like your inner arm, and wait 24 hours to see if you experience any irritation. You've got this, and there you have it, simple skincare routines for every single skin type. Remember, finding the right routine for your skin might take a little trial and error, but trust me, it's worth it. Your skin will thank you. Thanks for watching. Remember, consistency is key to achieving healthy skin. So, find a routine you love, stick with it, and watch your skin transform. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. You can also visit greatermood.com for more skincare tips. and let me know in the comments down below what your skin type is and what your current skincare routine looks like. See you in the next one.